What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're getting back into this skirmish that actually came back from Pixar for some reason. But I'm not going to complain actually because I didn't actually do the recording of this one. I forgot and I missed it. So this is a chance for me to do it. So I'm not going to complain. Let's get into the match. Okay, starting and okay, carry a map. Okay, team deathmatch. That's doesn't seem like a bad thing. Let's start with the Raven. Then I guess we can go into the uh, Bulwark. Okay. I think he's also a Raven. Yeah, he's also a Icon. We are surprising him. And since this is a Raven, you can't catch it. He's having hard time hitting me. And we got him to last stand with close and with our overdrive. So perfect jump we got here. Unfortunately, we have this Bulwark who's likely to drop us to last stand. But I think we can get him before we die. Let's try. I'm trying. Oh, it would have been perfect. It was going very well, but unfortunately, that Bulwark came. Good team play from that side, though. Doesn't seem like this team will give up, but I'm gonna go for this guy. He's presently very weak, so it's definitely important that we get these two. Okay, we have a lot of vulnerable people. I think our team should go for those people, but doesn't seem like they are doing that. No, not him. Yeah, him. I don't know. Okay, we are getting hammered here and by this team. Okay, this team is too good for me. I'm not actually getting my opportunities here. Not necessarily my best day anymore. So we can get this guy, but oh, if we could have gotten that Arjun, but he came inside my little shell, okay, like in little space. By the way, guys, before we move on to this, I actually know there's a new robot on the test server called Demeter, which actually is a support bot. Since I wanted to cover this skirmish, I am doing this video first, but I will be doing a video about that is on the test server tomorrow. So do stay tuned to my channel, guys. And talking about staying tuned to my channel, do subscribe to it. Anyway, is the music a little too loud? Yeah, I think I'll reduce it a little. Yeah, yeah, it seems like pretty. Whoa, 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 I'm falling off. So I don't want to fall off. I'm trying to aim some. Oh, we need 500 meters. Okay, so far I just wasted this flight actually. Wait, that hawk is vulnerable, but just give me a second. These people are pretty tricky. Uh, I think the only way we can get him. Okay, this guy. Oh man, this cover, bro. Oh my. Wow. Can you see my health? How did he get me? I mean, I was in flight. Okay, my god. It's really crazy. I got instantly killed. I'm going to try and take out this Aoju. My god, the targeting system. See, he got instantly in stealth as soon as he used me in the air, but not for me though, for some reason. Anyway, I'm going to try and get these hawks out of the air. They're the most problematic so far. I think they'll be a very big problem for us. Okay, this hawk, he just showed himself to me. I don't think he'll appreciate what's coming. Let's go, flight, and now. Help us cover some distance. Oh, nice. I want to kill the. Oh, of course, everyone is in hiding. Oh man, this is not going very well. Come on, we can. That is the worst gameplay I've ever got. This team. Okay, now let's play it safe. I've been going too much forward. Let my team or to do some of the attacking. They are all staying very close. That's the thing. So we are not able to get them. See, look at that. They're all ready with their hawks. We need to get rid of the hawks as soon as possible. Look at that. There's hawks everywhere. So as soon as one hawk is down, the other two hawks are up. So we can't do anything to... Okay. Okay, I'm getting some people very well. Okay, we got that hawk some good damage. Let's get onto this bridge. So I do not want to expose myself to these people. If I do, I think I can assure myself of death. Look at that, both of them are with their flights. Let's try and get this hawk first. Okay, we got him. We almost got him. Oh no, he doesn't. I'm not letting you go. He has to go. Okay, I'm really in a little bit of a trouble. But at least we got these two. Let's get this guy as well. We're out in the open so far. Oh no, he comes all this way. Okay, he did a bad jump there. I think I have a opportunity to run away. Oh no, now I'm flying over it. No. Come on, I can do it. I can stay alive. Come on. No. Okay. I can stay on this. No. Okay, now there's no hope. It's literally no hope of me staying alive anymore. Trying my best to do something here, but it's impossible. This team is very relentless. Very good at what they're doing at the moment. Anyway, let's see if we can get anyone else. We can play one more match, because I don't want to stop with that, because I don't seem to want to stop with that. It's very late here, but do remember guys, tomorrow I will do the Demeter video, so do stay tuned to my channel for that. I want to do the Demeter. I saw it was the new robot, because on the test server it says some mechs not found. I wasn't able to do. I missed it. Really sorry guys. But anyway, I'm jumping into the next match. Let's see how this one goes. Looks like the match is beginning, and this time it's Beacon Rush. Okay, this is going to get interesting. And it's on Valley. No, this is not Valley. This is Power Plant, I think. Okay, I'm going to jump away, because I see this guy. I don't appreciate this. Oh, he's going to get some good beating from that. Okay, we have two ravens jumping for the beacon. Literally, I can't do anything about that. So I'm trying getting this beacon, because we don't have any beacon. So sad. Okay, we are getting some beacons now. Okay, we gotta help out, so. Try and keep a distance from these guys though. I don't want to get too close to them, because they're very dangerous. They're really... Look at that. He's coming all this way. Okay, we can get him. Counter jumping his movement and getting him in the air, mid-air. That's one thing you have to do. You have to, understand how he's moving and all, and get him. See, look at that. He was lagging. That's why I did that. So we're getting this guy. See, we got some good hits into that guy. 3 beacons. We're leading with beacon progress, but I think we have to get a little more beacons than that. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't leave me alone. I don't want you to do anything to me. Oh, he's coming all the way over here. What a friendly fella. You know what? I have a small surprise for you. Yeah, look at this. Who has a hawk now, bro? Boof. Next guy is below me. Trying to get him. Oh, half my flight is wasted. Yeah, I would have to. Oh, I landed on top of him. And we got him. Okay. We don't have this beacon. We have to get it back. Trying to get it back. But you have left so many beacons unattended. Like unguarded. Okay, I'm trying to get this guy in his flight. And I'm pre-aiming from short so he gets it. Boof. Yep, he went down. And then this guy, bro. This guy. Target system. What, he's not dead? I don't know who to aim. This guy is definitely the one to aim. If he doesn't die from that, he'll die from this. He's alive! And he's not for long! Oh, come on, that's perfect cover. He's in perfect cover, bro. There's no getting that guy. He's in perfectly in cover. Man, my neck is actually a little bad today. I'll probably get that fixed. Anyway, have this bulwark going towards the beacon. Not gonna allow that. Definitely do not want that. So I'm going against the bulwark. He's physically very stronger than me. Okay, helping that guy out and then shooting this guy with my very strong two Exodus and two Pinadas. We have this beacon under attack. Spawn into the bulwark, locking down the beacon. Let's get them out. So far, we have not even gotten one kill, but we are doing a lot of damage to the enemy team. That's also, and also we are protecting the beacons also pretty well. So I don't think kills. I'm not too affected by the kill, getting a kill. Yeah, so far we have good progress. Beacons are protected. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, first kill coming up. Yep, we got a kill. Yay! Big achievement for me. Yeah. Well, the enemy team is scoring. Trying to get this guy as well, but nope. Of course, this guy will get the kill. Okay, this guy at least. I'm trying to get someone here. I don't want to be empty-handed. Okay. I think we got. Yep, we did not get him. That's nice. Okay, this guy here trying to get our beacon. Definitely do not want that. Definitely want this hawk protected. I'm jumping in to help him out. That's what friends do. Teammates at least. You know, not seen much friends do this, but teammates. This is what it's supposed to do in team. I mean, beacon rush and team deathmatch. How is he hitting me? Don't I have my physical shield? Oh no. Okay, I have my physical shield, but that's worthless against the Aojun. Yeah, that's more teamwork. Okay, we are getting all the beacons now. Amazing that is. We've no loss here. Guaranteed win. Yeah. Teamwork, bros. Amazing teamwork here. Let's see how this one goes. Hope the music wasn't too loud. This is my first time using music in the video. So yeah, I think that was a pretty good run. Don't worry guys, tomorrow I will be doing a video about the let me just lower the music a little. You know what, let me just lower the music a little. Tomorrow I will be doing the Demeter thing, so do stay tuned for that. And let's see how much damage we did. 1 million, decent. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video.